Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to learn the activity book Unit 4. We can see a passage telling about the story of volcanoes. All of you look at the textbook. Unit 4 Yuki and the Tsunami. Read and understand. Read this passage about volcanoes. A volcano is a mountain with an opening at the top that goes down to a pool of liquid rock called magma, deep below the surface of the earth. Magma and gas erupt from this opening. When magma erupts through the earth's surface is called lava. The word volcano comes from the name Vulcan, the Roman god of fire. There are around 1,510 active volcanoes in the world. We currently know of 80 or more which are under the oceans. Over half of the world's volcanoes are found in a belt around the Pacific Ocean, which is called the Ring of Fire. In India, active volcanoes are found in the Andaman Islands. Do you know volcanoes? Are you heard about volcano eruption? A volcano is a mountain. It has a wide opening at the top. This opening goes down to a pool of liquid. This liquid is called magma. Magma is a liquid rock. Magma and gas erupt from this opening. When magma erupts through the earth's surface is called lava. Do you the word volcano? It comes from a name Vulcan. Vulcan is a Roman god of fire. Do you know volcanoes are two types? One is active volcanoes. Second one is inactive volcanoes. Inactive volcanoes never erupt lava. It is not dangerous. Active volcanoes are dangerous. Total 1,510 active volcanoes are there in the world. Nearly 80 or more than 80 volcanoes under the ocean. Nearly half of the volcanoes in the world are found in the belt around the Pacific Ocean. It is called Ring of Fire. Ring of Fire means the active volcanoes belt in the Pacific Ocean. In India, active volcanoes are found in the Andaman Islands. Next bit from the workbook. A bit. Circle the correct answers. 1. The liquefied rock deep under the earth's surface is known as option A. Magma, option B. Lava, option C. Volcan. Second one. Volcan is a name. Option A. Given to magma when it reaches the earth's surface. Option B. Of the world's largest volcano. Option C. Of the ancient Roman god of fire. Third one. The number of active volcanoes in the world is around option A 80, option B 1000, option C 1510. Fourth one. The Ring of Fire is found in option A Rome, option B the Pacific Ocean, option C the Andaman Islands. Example 1. The liquid rock deep under the earth's surface is known as option A magma, option B lava, option C volcan. What is the correct answer? Option A magma. Similarly, find out the answers for the remaining questions from the passage. Word wise. B bit. Fill in the blanks with the word from the box. Wonder, word, words, world, worship, wool. Number 1. People eat more mangoes than any other fruits in the dash. Second one. What does the dash summer bring to your mind? Third one, people go to a temple to dash. Fourth one, what can be dash than rain when you are about to win a match? Fifth one, this sweater is made up of pure dash. Sixth one, I dash if I will be able to recognize my aunt after so many years. Example, people eat more mangoes than any other fruits in the world. Exhibit. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and meanings. Read the sentences below. Circle the correct words to complete the sentence. First one. Different scientists work together. Bracket to build robots. Second one. Scientists study land animals and bracket sea creatures to get ideas for builds robots. Third one. Some robots look like insects. They have 3 legs on the left side of their body and 3 legs on the bracket right side. Fourth one. The new robots will be able to do things that earlier robots could not. Fifth one. Scientists hope that future robots will be able to move and go where today's robots cannot reach. Example, different scientists work together to build robots. What is the correct answer? To build robots. Next bit, D bit. Write the sentence with each word in these pair of homophones. First one, tail, tail. Tail means animal's tail. Example, the elephant has a short tail. Next, tale, tail. Tail means story. My grandfather told me interesting tale about the war. Second one, pale, pale. Pale means light color of shade. Example, Lalit looked pale after his illness. Next one, pail. Pail means bucket. Example, Jack carried a pail of water up the hill. Next is spell right. E-bit. Filling the blanks by adding FUL full or LESS less to the words in the brackets. First one, B dash, you may hurt the kitten, bracket care. Second one, this dog looks quite fierce, but actually he is dash, harm. Third one, what a dash puppy you have, bracket play. Fourth one, you spend a dash night because of the noise and light from the neighbor's party, bracket sleep. Fifth one, Rani Lakshmi Bai was a dash warrior, bracket fear. Sixth one, Razia befrighted the dash woman in the park and took some food for her every day, bracket home. Example, be dash, you may hurt the kitten, bracket care. Careful. Be careful, you may hurt the kitten. Second example, this dog looks quite fierce, but actually he is dash, harmless. Similarly, find out the remaining questions. Thank you.